How to log into Instagram without two-factor authentication. Your first step would be to open the Instagram login page. So open it on the app or website and enter your username and password. Now, once you have, go ahead and tap try another way. So when Instagram asks for a two-factor authentication code, just simply tap on try another way or need more help. That would give you another option. Now, once you've done this, you can go ahead and use your saved backup codes. You can go ahead and use your saved backup codes. Just enter one and then you can request login links through your email or SMS. The recovery methods may include email verification, SMS verification, or your backup codes. All right, now, if that doesn't work, you could also try verifying your identity. You could use the verification of your identity if you no longer have access to your authentication device, as Instagram may ask for identity verification uses using a selfie video or confirming your account details. Now, you can also proceed to reset your two-factor authentication because once you're logged in, just go into the security settings and update your two-factor authentication. Simply add some backup codes and a secondary authentication method. Try to avoid unofficial tools or websites who are claiming to bypass the Instagram security. They can steal your account, and that's how to recover access to Instagram without two-factor authentication. Leave a like and subscribe.